this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. And I just want to say this, see my baby? I know he's in the hospital, but guess what? He's going home. Yes, he got discharged, and we're waiting on the paperwork so I can take my baby home. Yes, take my darling home. Folks, I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who have been praying for us, praying for my husband. I am so grateful to you for those of you who pray for us. Thank you so much from the depths, the bottom of our hearts. My husband and I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And thank you for your continued prayers for us. Okay? And also, folks, I just want to tell you again about this new program that I am in. It's not really new, but it's making waves all right around the world. And this program is called the Newbies on Fire. Yes, it is exactly what it sounds like, the Newbies on Fire. So, folks, I will put a link below, and also I'll put the link of the mailing club called Impact Mailing Club that I am in, and also Cash in a Box. Okay, these three programs are great. Anyone can do this.